Stop scrolling. This might be the sign you've been waiting for. Whether you're a student, job seeker, digital nomad, or just passionate about self growth, 2025 is the best year to learn English, and I'm going to show you exactly why. Spoiler alert, it has to do with AI, global opportunities, and a world that's more connected than ever. Let's start with the obvious. AI is revolutionizing how we learn. Gone are the days of boring textbooks and random YouTube videos. Now, you have AI tutors, pronunciation apps, instant grammar checkers, and voice recognition tools that help you sound more like a native speaker, all from your phone. In 2025, these tools are faster, smarter, and more personalized than ever before. If you're learning English now, you're learning smarter, not harder. And platforms like the English Lab are evolving too, blending real world speaking practice with smart technology. Here's the truth: remote work isn't going away. In fact, 2025 has seen the highest number of international remote job listings in history. But guess what? Over 80% of these jobs require strong English skills. Whether it's writing emails, attending Zoom calls, or collaborating with teams in different countries, English is your remote passport. Want a job with an international company? Start building your English confidence. Today, you're learning a skill that pays. Whether you're scrolling on social media, watching movies, or even ordering online, English is everywhere. From Japan to Germany to Brazil, people are learning English not just to pass exams, but to connect, to travel, build businesses, and make global friends. 2025 is the year of borderless communication, and English is the bridge. Learning English in 2025 isn't about being perfect, it's about being understood. It's about confidence, not just grammar. And most importantly, it's about you, your growth, your journey, your voice. So whether you're starting from zero or picking up where you left off, there's never been a better time. You're not late, you're right on time. If this video inspired you even a little, share your views in the comments and tell us, why are you learning English in 2025? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and join us here at the English Lab for more powerful tips, real conversations, and the motivation you need to keep going. Remember, every word you learn is one step closer to the future you want. See you in the next video.